What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Julian Fair here, back with another video. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Today in my channel, we're going to be talking about 3 forms of light. If you're new to this channel, obviously it's about photography, gear reviews, tips and tricks, real world examples. So we're going to be talking about 3 forms of light. It's going to be a fast video, I promise. Stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to talk about is hard light, which we're going to use a reflector. We're going to talk about medium hard light with a beauty dish. And then we're going to talk about using very soft light with my personal favorite modifier, a deep umbrella. We're going to show you all these examples on Crystal, my mannequin head, to give you guys practical, to show you in the real world how different modifiers give out different light outputs, like hard light, soft light, and medium hard light. So I look forward to sharing this with you guys. I'll see you in the studio. So welcome to the studio, ladies and gentlemen. The first thing you're going to notice is that I'm not wearing the same clothes, and I won't be using Crystal, my mannequin head, to demonstrate. Simply because my wife cut my hair, I figured I would show you on a live subject, yours truly. So the first modifier is not going to be the hard light source. We're going to start with the soft light source, which is the 52-inch Westcott Deep Umbrella with diffusion fabric. So it should be by far the softest light on my skin complexion. So let's take a look. So we've taken the shot. Let's go ahead and look on the back of the screen. Now you're going to see how soft the light really is. If you look on my forehead, the specular highlight is evenly distributed. It's unbelievable. The light fall off is extremely soft. There are no sharp shadows. My blemishes are barely visible because the light is so soft and so massive. And even underneath my chin and jawline is incredibly nicely lit up. This is all with one light source. We're not even using a fill or any reflector for any of this. So now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to speed things up, and we're going to move on to our second modifier, which is our beauty dish, 32-inch. Let me speed it up for you. So we're going to go ahead and take the shot. And if we look on the back of the screen now, we're going to see that obviously my facial features have been a little bit more rugged, as you can say. There's a lot more wrinkles in my forehead. The shadows are a lot sharper. My chin underneath is a little bit lessly lit up. And if you look on our camera left, on my cheekbones, the light fall off now has increased far more rapidly. Everything is a lot more grungy and there's a lot more clarity added. And that's for the fact that the light source is smaller overall at 32 inches. So I hope that makes sense. We're going to move on after this to our last light source, which is our Bowens reflector, which is a hard light source. So let's speed things up for you and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I've sat down to take my shot along with my phone. And let's go ahead and look on the back of the screen. Now you're going to see how fast and sharp the shadows are. The shadows on my nose are incredibly sharp. My cheekbone on our left is very dark. Underneath my chin has become extremely dark with a sharp shadow, as you can see. I have a lot of wrinkles on my forehead. The black bags underneath my eyes are now very, very visible. Old age, I guess. And everything just looks patchy and uneven. Hard light has its places, but for a portrait like this, you can see a massive difference between the first shot and this shot. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. I'll see you back up in the main audio room. That concludes our video for today, guys. I really hope that this was helpful. I hope everything made sense to you. Just to do a quick recap, you're going to see that A, the reflector is a zoom reflector, very hard light, sharp shadows, fast light fall off. B, the beauty dish. It's considered to be medium hard light. Very popular amongst fashion photographers and for photographing female subjects because of its flattering, especially when you're in a clamshell setup. And C, ultra soft light by an amazing deep umbrella, my favorite modifier of them all. So if you guys have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. I look at all my comments. If you guys like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Until then, guys, stay visual, people, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care now.